Hi everyone, I'm Kathleen if you're new here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a Gibson tuck with the Flexi Clip. All you need to do the style is one hair tie and a medium to large Flexi Clip. The first step is to gather all of your hair into a low ponytail and secure it loosely with a hair tie. Then you're going to create a hole in your hair above your hair tie. If you have short hair, then go ahead and take your ponytail and tuck it into the hole. But if you have long to medium hair like I do, then take your pointer finger and loop your hair upwards so it's all gathered together so that's easier to tuck into the hole. But again, if you have short hair, then you can skip the looping step and just tuck your hair into the hole. So the third step is just tucking and rolling all of your hair into that pouch until you have no loose ends and a nicely shaped rolled bun. So once you've tucked all of your hair into the pouch, there's going to be some loose hair on the side of your head. So what you're going to do with that is on the right side of your head, you're going to gather all that loose hair, slide it across your scalp and add it over top of your bun. And then do the same thing with the left side of your head, gather all the loose hair, slide it across your scalp and add it to the bun. So just do one final tuck and roll in to make sure everything is in place, and then we secure it with a Flexi Clip. When your Flexi Clip is in hand, you're going to take the pin, grab a bit of hair from the top of the bun, and then slide it across the scalp. That's the secret to making sure it's secure, and then through to the other side and securing it in one of the notches. The size of Flexi Clip you want to use is going to vary on the length and thickness of your hair. So for me, I have long and thick hair, so I'm using a large. But if you have shorter or thinner hair, then you should probably use a medium or even a small. So that is it for the Gibson tuck. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and comment what hairstyle you want me to do next, and I'll get right on it.